Where does the name for Calcoed come from? So today I'm in Calcoed. It's a small hamlet in Flintshire, just outside Pantasaf. Let's get into the name. Now, Calcoed is fairly straightforward. The second half of it is obviously coed, right? Woods, forest. Except it isn't. Calcoed is one of those place names that's really special to Flintshire, and it's actually an Old English place name, as it was settled by the Mercians back in the 800s. That's then been taken over again by Welsh speakers and then sort of reinterpreted, re-understood. Let's go back to the Old English name for the settlement, the Mercian name for the settlement. First we have Cald, which means cold now in modern English, and then we have Cot, which you might recognise as the first half of the word cottage, and also the ancestor to the word hut, and it means kind of a small hovel, an abode, a cottage. So the cold cottage. Now, Welsh speakers, after they retook this area from the Kingdom of Mercia after its collapse, heard Calcoed and thought that the second half of it was probably coed, so they wrote it as Calcoed, even though Cal doesn't have any meaning on its own in Welsh. Now, I really love this kind of place name because it's really fascinating the way that a language can kind of move back and forth over a place and keep reinterpreting place names, and it's really special to Flintshire. Now, just outside of Calcoed, on the road to Pantasaf, is this weird feature, and it's called Naid y March. Naid means a jump or a leap, means the, and March means a horse. And it's two Bronze Age standing stones that have been taken from somewhere else and then put on either side of a capped lead mine. Legend is that Thomas ap Harry, who was a local landowner in the 16th century, wagered one of his farm horses that he could leap over the top of this mine shaft, and the horse leapt 22 feet, and it was so impressive they decided to commemorate it with these stones. So the name literally means the cold house, the cold cottage. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales and a couple outside of it as well, you can on my Patreon, the link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.